Welcome to part 100 of Laravel 12 multi-banner e-commerce series. So we will continue working on the orders management, and in this part we are going to show the order listing and order detail in the admin panel. In the last part we have seen that we are able to show the orders as well as the order detail in the user account. Okay, here you can see that user can able to click on my orders, or user can click on the my orders at the thanks page. You can see the order listing here, and after clicking on any of the listing, user can able to see the order detail page as well. Okay, so now the same thing we are going to show going to display in the admin panel. I'm going to log in into the admin panel, admin@admin.com, and password is 123456. And here I'm going to display the orders management at the left side bar. And after clicking on the orders link, we are going to show the orders here. Okay, so let's follow the instructions that you can find under video. One by one, we are going to follow all the instructions. First of all, we are going to create the route. Okay, like we have created the route for the front. Now we are going to create the route for the admin, orders route for the admin. Okay, so here we are going to include the order controller as you top, and this resource route for the admin orders we are going to create inside the admin group. Here it's the admin group, and we are going to create this before logout. Here we are going to create this. Okay, and also we are going to make this orders management. Okay, like this. Okay, so it will create these two URLs. One is the orders and one is the order detail. Okay. So now we are going to create a few of the files. One is the controller and one is the service. The order controller under admin. Earlier we have created under front, and now we are going to create under admin. So order controller under admin. We need to see that what is the issue here. Okay, here we want to see 37. There is some issue. And 37 order controller. Okay, so this is same, so that's why it is giving issue. What I'm going to do, I'm going to convert this one, like we have done for other. I'm going to convert it for order front controller. I'm going to replace the earlier one with the order front controller so that this one will work. So that's why it was not working, so I forgot this time. So wherever I'm using the order controller, okay, here I'm going to replace these two order controller, and I need to make sure that the front is working fine. Okay, we need to make sure that no issue come at front. So it's working fine. You can see we have updates the routes with the controller alias, and now there will be no issue while creating this order controller. Okay, now we can able to create this one. Okay, so now I'm going to run that same under admin. This time it must work. Okay, so it has been created, order controller has been created. So now uh let's continue. So now we are going to create the order service. Okay, so we can create this service with make class, but sometime it works and sometime it does not work. Okay, so we can create like this. So it has been created. We are able to create the order service inside app admin folder. App services. admin and order service. I need to see it has been created or not. Sorry, it created outside. Okay, so I need to create inside app services. I need to create the path here. Here, make class here. I need to give the full path here. Okay, that's why I think it created at the wrong place. App, after that, services, then admin, then order service here. So we are going to do this one. So now we are going to, okay, so now see it now created the, so this one is also included. Uh, this one is not okay. We will directly give the services. Now we can try once again. This one, app services admin. Now we are going to check services admin and under admin order service. Okay, this time we are able to create this. Okay, order service. Now I will this. Okay. So this is the code for the order controller. Copy. uh, And here you can see we are going to align first of all, and after that we are going to see the listing. We are going to inject the order service into the order controller. Okay, and this is the listing function for the order listing, and this one is for the order detail. Okay, but the main logic will be inside the order service. Okay, I'm going to copy the code of order service and we'll update the order service now. Okay, align it as well. So this one is for get all orders. We get order detail. Okay, and we need to make sure the order model must look like this. There are few of the relations. We need to make sure that all the relations are intact, all the functions are intact. Okay, once again, we are going to update, but don't update like this. Okay, only the new things we are going to add here. Fillable, okay, fillable with all the columns, user ID, address ID, subtotal, discount, shipping, total, payment method status, it's fine. Then items relation, fine, addresses, fine, shipping address, fine, get subtotal attribute, fine, and after that, get shipping amount attribute, fine, and get total attribute, fine. There is the new function that we are going to add. User belongs to function, okay. So every order belongs to some user. That is the function that we required here in our order model as well. Okay. So yeah, it's fine. So of this, we will also create this file inside the sources view admin orders. We'll go to sources views admin orders. Where it is. Okay, so we are going to create this new folder orders, and inside orders we are going to create new bullet files. Index file is for the order listing and show file is for the order detail. We are following the resource controller. Okay, all these type of functions, index, show functions, are the part of the resource controller, and these blade files are also the part of the resource controller. Okay, that makes the life easier for the developer. Okay, so now this one is the index blade file. Want to copy this one and want to bring these files here and in for the order listing. Okay, and show we will have the order detail page code. So this is management, and we are going to add it after coupons filters. After catalog management, we can add here or after filter management. Okay, yeah. Now scripted file. Here we are going to add the script for data reordering and visibility for the data table that we have added earlier for all the modules, and now we are going to add for the orders module. Okay, so this one we have added for the orders module to add the data ordering and as well as reordering as well as the visibility. So now we are going to check here the admin panel. I'm going to refresh and we'll see the orders management section at the left sidebar. Yes, it's there. Okay, orders management at the left sidebar. We can able to see here. Okay, so now I'm going to click on orders, and here we can able to see all the orders here in the data table. You can see the data table is coming here, the search option is coming, pagination is coming, column visibility is coming, and here we can hide any number of columns if we want. Okay, here you can see the I have removed these two of the columns, so every admin can able to update the settings of his own choice. And this column reordering will also work here. You can see the column reordering. I bring the total. If I want to bring the total at the last, I can bring the total at the last. Okay, so I can rearrange the columns as per my own choice. And now I'm going to see the order detail. I'm going to click on view and can see the order detail page as well. See order information, order items, billing and shipping, and subtotal shipping discount total. Okay, so every detail is coming here as well. And one more thing here in the order detail. Uh, Here in the show update file means the order detail page. Here see like this one is the order information, that is fine. Then our order items, here we can just make it's the delivery address. Okay, delivery details or delivery address, because this is the delivery address, and here we are going to give here the delivery address. Okay, delivery address of the user who placed the order, and this one is the final total. Okay, so all the details are coming here as well. So I hope that you can able to follow this one and you can able to create these orders. So we can now able to place the order with COD and can see the order details both at the front as well as the admin panel. So this is the complete of part 100, and we able to finish with the COD, but other payment methods we are going to do in the upcoming videos, and also we are going to convert this to the multi-vendor e-commerce series as well. So still a long way to go, and you can now get the complete source code up till part 100 from sidemakers.in website. Here I am going to add this one in in few of the days. I'm going to add uh, at the launch of this video, you can able to see here the login to download link. Okay, So when I will upload this video, after few days, I'm going to upload this video. At that time, when you will open the sidemakers.in website and click on download, you can able to see the part 1 to 100 videos. Okay, so you can able to download that if you will join as a member. And for joining as a member, you can simply, there are many ways to join. Here you can click on login. Here itself you can click on login and you can join from YouTube. You can join from PayPal. You can join from debit or credit card. If you have the Google Pay, you can join from the Google Pay as well. If you have the Paytm, you can join from the Paytm as well. So there are many ways to join. Either you are from India or from any part of the world, you can able to join. Okay, by paying this small fees. Okay, so this is the channel. You must always subscribe, and you can join from here from the channel itself as well. You can click on the join, you can join link, and you can join as a basic member, premium, advanced, superior, genius. You can join as a member as per your own choice, as per your requirement. Okay, so you can subscribe free for getting the complete information, for getting the updates. Okay, so that you can do. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you for watching these 100 videos, and we will move this forward. We are going to do many more things in the upcoming videos, so please stay tuned. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.